The title of the paper: Test and Measurement in Physical Education. Course code 6BPE4C1. Course name BSc Physical Education. Semester 4. Paper 4 paper presented by Dr. R.Varadharajan. Components of motor physical fitness test. They have 3 tests in motor fitness. One is JCR test. Another one is Indian Motor Fitness Test. Third one is Organ Motor Fitness Test. Today we see the JCR test. JCR test means vertically jump, chinning, and settle run. That means called a JCR. This test is developed by B.E. Phillips in 1957 to measure the ability of individuals to perform basic fundamental motor skills which are related to strength, power, speed, agility, and endurance. There are also reference to a modified version of the test by Cooper in 1963. The JCR test assesses basic motor skills such as jumping, chinning, and running. Hence, the name JCR. This test is an example of a test protocol that combines the scores of a range of tests into a single score of fitness index. See other examples which attempts to provide simple, meaningful feedback to the athlete. Test items. Vertically jump is measured by power. Chinning is measured by strength. Settle run is measured by agility and speed. Tests are used. Vertically jump. Vertically jump. This is a test of leg power. Strength subjects attempts to jump as high as possible from a standing start. Purpose of vertical jump: to measure power of legs in jumping vertically upward. Equipments needed: a jump board marked off in half inches or 1 centimeter, chalk, dust, and scorecard. The image of vertically jump, how to do that jump as vertically jumps test. Procedure: the plywood board of 1/4 inches thickness, 5 feet long and 1 feet wide may be used. This broad jump should be mounted on a basketball, or if mounted on a wall, it should be at least 6 inches out from the wall so that the subject will not scrap himself. The jump toes a line 1 foot in front of the board. The index finger of both hands are chalked with magnesium powder. The subject reaches a high as possible with the heels kept on the floor and makes a mark on the board with his chalked fingers. He then execute the 3 jumps from a crouch position, marking each time on the board. Scoring. The distance from the top reach mark to the top of the highest jump mark is recorded as his score measured is taken to the nearest half inch or 1 centimeter. The second one is chinning. Chinning. This is a test of upper body strength. The subject grasps a bar above the head with palms facing forward, then pulls up until the chin is above the bar. Then return to the straight arm position. Repeat as many times as possible. Procedure. Purpose of the chinning: to measure the muscular strength and endurance of the arms and shoulder girdle. Equipments needed: horizontal bar. Direction: the subject should assume the hanging position with the overhand grasp, palms forward, and pull his body upward until the chin is over the bar. After reach chin up, the subject should return to a full extended hanging position. The subject should repeat it as many times as possible. Scoring. The score is the number of completed chin up. This image is chin up is measuring strength. The third one is shuttle run. The subject runs a 10-odd course 10 times back and forth between two markers 10 yards apart. The total time is measured in seconds. Purpose of the shuttle run. Shuttle run is measured in agility and speed. Purpose of the shuttle run is to measure the agility. Equipment needed: stopwatch and backboard. Marking: running lanes are approximately 6 feet wide and exactly 10 yards long. Backboards, which are used to help the subject make the turns, are placed at both ends of the lanes so that their bottom inside edge are flush with the ends of the lane. There are approximately 12 inches wide and are set at an angle of 40 degrees with the floor. This is the image of shuttle run, 10-yard shuttle run images. We are all do like this. Running is done on a hard and level surface that uses. Good footing practices. Length shall be permitted before the run of the time. The examiner should watch to see that runners stay in their own lanes and are encouraged to go all out for the complete distance. The backboards are used from which to spring and not to bounce, and that runners are given a few lengths in practice before running for time. Today we saw the JCR test and measurement in physical education. Thank you.